Everything in Paperbell starts with a package. And a package is anything that you sell or offer to your clients, whether that's free or paid. Paperbell is the tool that I'm always recommending to coaches because it handles scheduling, payments, contract signing, and client management, and it's specifically made for your coaching business. I'm Sha-day Johnson, and I teach coaches how to create an automated client onboarding system inside of Paperbell. So today I want to teach you what exactly you can sell using Paperbell. The first type of package is a free discovery call. This is your typical sales call where you'll get on Zoom or Google Meet to meet with a potential client to see if you're a good fit for working together. The second type of package is one-on-one coaching programs. So if you've created something like a 12-week program where someone can meet with you one-on-one every week, this is the type of package you would set up. The third type of package is a group coaching program. So one of the challenges with creating group coaching programs and finding the tech that will do it is that you have a lot of people who need to show up in the same place. So if you're doing it virtually, this would be Zoom or Google Meet. And so when you set up a group coaching package inside of Paperbell, it handles sending the right links to everyone so that everyone shows up in the right place at the right time. Also, sometimes you need to provide information to all of those people, such as your worksheets or different videos you want them to watch. So Paperbell also handles the delivery of all of that content to each person because they automatically get a client portal that they can log into. And FYI, if you want step-by-step guidance on how to set this up the right way, you can check out the link to my Paperbell mini course called Booked and Automated in the description below this video. The fourth type of package is live workshops. So if you've been wanting to host a live online class where a bunch of people can show up and learn what you have to teach, this is the fourth type of package that you can set up. The fifth type of package is ongoing subscriptions. This is also a functionality that's hard to find with other tech tools because sometimes once someone has worked with you, maybe with your one-on-one program or your group coaching program, you want to offer them ongoing support. And maybe it doesn't fit into one of your existing programs. And so maybe you come to an agreement where they pay you a specific amount per month and get access to a specific number of calls. And so when you set up an ongoing subscription, you're going to be able to charge their credit card the same amount monthly without having to send an invoice or have to do any other type of heavy lifting. You just set it up once, they sign up, and they get charged that ongoing subscription price. The sixth type of package is digital products. So Paperbell is technically designed primarily for one-on-one and group coaching. However, because they have this feature where when someone buys something from you, they get access to a client portal where you can provide documents to them. That means that you can actually sell digital products along with your coaching. So if you set up the package and don't include any calls and all you do is include the content that you're delivering, then that is a digital product package. The seventh type of package is an online course. So like I mentioned, technically Paperbell is made for coaching, but because you have that portal where you can deliver videos and PDFs and whatever content is included in your online course, technically you could sell an online course. Now I will say, caution, it is not a typical course platform with all the bells and whistles like you might find with Teachable or other popular course platforms out there. But I think it works out if this is something you want to offer alongside your coaching without having to sign up for other tools. And lastly, you can sell any combination of these 7 packages. So for example, if you maybe offer a group coaching program that comes with group calls, but you also want to offer a few one-on-one calls, you can set that up. Or maybe you have a digital product that you're selling, but it also comes with one strategy call to help with that product. You can set that up too. So if you have any questions about the packages you can set up inside of Paperbell, just leave a comment below this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye.